lighting strip, 990. Itong lighting strip na to. At least may idea tayo. Ito naman, clip-on basket. Gusto ko rin to, 290. Para sa pantry natin. Meron din namang small one. It's 250. Walang QR. So ito, para sa mga vegetables, you want to wash them. This one's, dish drainer pala siya. Sorry, 1,290. Pero pwede din sa gano'n. Vinyl. Stick on vinyl. Stainless steel. Yung frame niya, 22,750. Kung ito na yung gusto mong cabinet, particle board lang siya. Self-assemble. Pero, as usual, ayaw namin ng open-ended hardware. Kasi sasabit yung shorts namin. Ito, pwede din to. 7,650 pala to. This one is 200. Okay din to. Sabitan ng mga kitchen towels. O, sabitan ng paper towels. And you can just hang this like so. This one's how much? There's no price. Asan ang price niyan? This one is countertop rack for 1,090. 6,000. Oh, ito yung para sa laundry area. Ito, pwede na tong lababo na to. May lababo sa laundry? Oo, syempre, pag maghugas ka ng kamay. This one is 6,650. It is made from particle and sideboard din. Ito yun. Particle board to. Ganda yung lababo. Faucet naman to. With strainer na 3,490. Pero yung base CDF sink with 2 drawers, 6,650. Atong buo na to. Ito yung sa side. Ito, sabitan, 1,290. Pwede din naman siyang gawing magkadugtong like this. Oh, ayan. Hindi, ito naman mga clear containers. Scan the QR. May iba pa yung lid. 50 pesos kung gusto niyo may lid. Grabe naman. Ba't pinahiwalay pa? Sa bagay, may ibang ayaw na ng lid. Ito, if you want a floating basket with suction cup, 300. Scan the QR. Towel wrap for 400. Scan the QR. It's made from plastic. Pero siya, in fairness, durable siya. I mean, you can't pull it out or whatever. Ito pa, meron pa dito. Yan organizer. Ayan, kakulay ng kwarto mo. Tapos yung mga picture frame, maganda din 590. This one's 590. Walang QR. Basta it's Reba, 40 by 50. This one's 50 by 50. Para sa mga wall gallery. Art gallery. Gallery wall. Ang dami ko sinabi. There's a love seat here as well. It's beige. 12,990. Scan the QR. Ito yung love seat. Ayan. Projector. Mini projector. So, ayan. Meron din ditong sliding. Pwede ito sa baby's room. Kaya lang siya. Separate yung mga containers niya. 1,290. Pull out storage. Scan. Ganda niya, guys. It's made from plastic, but it's clear.
Wow.
There. That's yun. Meron din mga dito. Storage bin for 990. It's recta. This one, riser. May riser dito. Shelf insert. 450. Ayan. This one is ayan. Pwedeng yan. This one is Raskov Utility Cart. 2,290. Scan the QR. ganda. It's 8.90 serving tray. Oh, see? This entire set is... Oh, the rug. It's 150. Flat woven pledge. Scratcher na yan, guys. May swing din siya. For the cat. Ayan, yung scratcher niya. Meron akong vlog niyan, guys. Yung scratcher ni Hanji, ng aming pet cat. Link up above. I have a pet cat. Ay, foldable. Oh. Foldable. Foldable. For small spaces. Plastic bag dispenser. Plastic bag dispenser. You can put your dirty clothes here. It's a hamper basket with wheels. Walang pricing. And another tray. 590. 2 pieces na siya. And this one is 300. Anong brand yan?
Ikea.
Walang brand eh, no? Ah, okay. It's for sale as well. 10,990. Microwave oven. Ito, 38,990. 5-year warranty. May ano siya sa loob. Fan. Broiler siya. Maganda, di ba?
Ang daming ano.
Oh, pwede na to, baby, oh. Wine shelf, P750. Scan this QR. It is made from... pwede siya sa side ng countertop. This is what's inside. See? And this one as well. This one is 200. Shaker. 390. Wala. 990. Cutting board. Kitchen island. If you're really on a budget, ito na lang bilhin mo. 11.5 lang. Oh. It's made from laminate. Particle board din siya. Sorry, hindi siya matibay. Yung sa mga awkward sides ng mga kitchen cabinet. Ah, wala. This one's the dishwasher. Taran! Itong ganito, itong mismong to, magkano? Walang nakalagay. Pero yung high cabinet frame itself is 39,000. Yan namang jar with lid is 400.
Ang cute! Ganda.
Wala siyang QR.
Pag walang QR market pa lang.
Oh. Kitchen garage.